everyone, welcome back to my channel. I like wontons second only to dumplings. It's another type of dumpling, but the wrapper is much thinner than that of dumplings. Today I will show you how to make wonton wrappers at home. Let's get started. Prepare 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 milliliters of water, 1 egg. Add egg to the flour first. Stir with chopsticks. Then add water while stirring until all the water is used up. Knead them into a dough with your hands. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Put some potato starch on the workboard. To prevent sticking, place the rested dough on it. Roll it into a pancake with a rolling pin. The thinner, the better. This step requires patience. Fold the pancake about 4 to 5 centimeters wide. Just like this. Divide it into 8 equal portions with a dough scraper. Then cut off the edges connections of each set. So that you get wonton wrappers one by one. Actually, the wonton wrappers can be square, rectangular, or trapezoidal. There are no strict requirements. Wonton wrappers can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, so it's best to make them fresh, or use them to make wontons and put them in the freezer. That's all for today. If you like it, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.